at a DGR Happy Place. If you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe, like, share. I would be the one who would be giving you all the latest information about the international flights that are going to start, or all the air bubble flights which have started, or the Vande Bharat flights which are going on. So if you have not checked out my videos, go to my channel at DGR Happy Place and check out my informational videos, blooper on flights and everything. All the information I have shared, that I have gathered, it's based on true stories, real life stories that have happened with people who are traveling or who have traveled. So finally I am going to fly back to Canada. All my flights have been booked, and till now, touch wood, they have not been cancelled. So after 8 months of long haul here, speculations, flights getting cancelled 100 times. 100 times is a bit of an exaggeration, but then yeah, my flights kept getting cancelled on and off. So finally I booked myself in Lufthansa. These are the charter flights which have been started. This is the air bubble flight, because India can fly to Germany and back. India has been allowed to fly to Germany basically. So from here to Germany is Lufthansa, and from Germany to Toronto is Air Canada. So finally I have a way out. I did not take the Vande Bharat flights because first off I was not getting tickets for those flights, and also I have not heard good reviews about Vande Bharat flights, so I did not want to risk it. When I'm traveling alone with 2 kids, I do not want to risk anything. So yeah, today I would like to share something very important. When you are traveling with kids, and your kids, very young kids, like one is 1.5 years old and the other is almost 4-year-old, so you need to have a diaper bag. So I got this diaper bag from Amazon.in. It's of the brand called Love Lab. So what's in my bag? I'll share with you what's in my diaper bag, and these are the things that I would be carrying with me for my kids, of course. So let me start. This is a very good quality bag, and it's very reasonably priced. You can find it on Amazon.in. It's priced for just 1500 rupees, and it's big, it's huge. See, so this is a very important thing. First and foremost, I'm carrying this is a disinfectant spray that I'm carrying. I'll show you the rest of the things that I'm carrying in this bag. So the disinfectant spray goes here. This is actually for carrying a mobile, but I have put this here, it doesn't matter. So what else am I carrying? Food and other stuff I will be taking in my other handbag. There is no restriction for food because Indigo, I'm traveling via Indigo from Raipur to Delhi. So Indigo is not going to provide you food. So I will talk about Indigo later in my other video, and these videos I will upload, say by tomorrow. These videos would be online, so you can check them out. You can take tips for yourself and be prepared if you are traveling alone. So first and foremost, I have these leashes which I bought for both of my kids. This is a 2-meter long leash. So one of the straps, it goes into my hand like this. There is a lock system here, and the other strap, this one, it goes in the hands of my boy. I have an aqua one for my boy and a pink one for my girl. So both my hands would be free, because I would be tying it up, one in my hand and one in, to be precise, on the wrists of both the kids and myself. So this is very handy. I'll give you a full-fledged demo of this thing once we shoot our airport vlog. Sorry, blooper. Once we shoot our airport vlog. So this is the thing that I bought. It's stretchable. It's quite sturdy. I got one for 699 rupees, I think. So it's very reasonable. This for my daughter, The next thing that is there in my bag is a set of extra pair of clothes. These extra pair of clothes. I'm carrying two pairs of clothes extra each for both of my kids. Please carry extra pair of clothes if your kids are small. You might need them. The third thing that I have in my bag is this. This is a changing pad, a good size changing pad. This came with the diaper bag. This was already there in the diaper bag. One of my kids is still in diapers, and so I need this. Also, I'm carrying diapers. A lot of them, a lot of diapers. In case of any accident or anything. This is poop accident, obviously. Also, there are masks which I am carrying. This is my mask. I have bought masks for my kids, which are like manufactured specially for kids. I got everything from Amazon. This we will wear on our. This is the head cap. This will fit my kids as well as me. So it's free size head cap which I am wearing just to protect our hair. This stores almost everything that is there. It's a very large bag and I'm really happy with it. Also, I'm carrying this. This is an insert with plastics where you can wrap your dirty diapers and throw. Very handy. Also, as you can see, here you can put your mobile, and here there is a charging. If you want to charge your mobile, you can charge it. You can put out your extension cord or whatever, and you can charge your mobile. I'm also carrying a power bank. Also remember that when you are flying, you can carry power banks, but put your power bank in your handbag. Do not put your power banks in your luggage, because check-in luggage, because they will ask you to take it out and give it to them. So it will be a loss. So I'm carrying a power bank because I would be transiting to different places, and none of the places will have the same kind of adaptability to the charger that I have. So right now I am having a charger from India. So I have charged. Make sure that your power bank is fully charged. So again, you cannot take power bank in your check-in luggage. You only can take power banks in your handbags. So I have allowance for 3 handbags. In this I will not be carrying any kind of food or anything, but there is provision for carrying baby bottles. I'll show you. Here, it's quite large. These are the compartments that have been given, and if you can see, this is insulated. If I can show you, see here, this is insulated, so you can put warm milk here and it will stay warm. This is amazing. Again, there is this one, the second one, which is insulated. So I plan to put carry some warm water here, and also I'm carrying a small packet of Milkmaid, because my little daughter, she needs milk. Abhibi, yeah. So I'm carrying a small packet of Milkmaid, powdered milk, because and water and some food. So remember this, that there is no restriction on food. So in my other hand baggage, there would be a lot of food, like snacks like chips and wafers, and I'm also carrying dry food. I'm not carrying like paratha or sandwich or dry noodles. A little bit of it, because remember this, that Indigo is not going to provide you any kind of food. The pantry service is not there in Indigo, but I've heard that in Lufthansa there is pantry services. Also, in my next video I will talk about the woes of excess baggage. Like if you're not traveling directly from Delhi, Mumbai, and if you're traveling from a remote area like mine, I'm traveling from Bhilai. So I have to take a flight, a domestic flight, before I transit and go to Lufthansa and board the flight there. So I am paying a lot of money for the excess baggage. I will share it with you in my next video what how much I shared and what services I'm taking extra, how much extra I have paid, and what extra services I'm taking in, because as it is, I'm traveling alone with 2 kids, so you can see the anxiety in my voice. I hope I'm able to make it properly. So you can see the anxiety in my voice. I am a little nervous while doing this, but yeah, I can do this. All of the mothers, you have special powers. All women are all women are super women. So yeah, and mothers, you are stronger than you think. So yeah, this is what all is there in my diaper bag, and so there are some hidden spaces too. Wow, see, so you can keep whatever else you would want to keep. These are the basic things that I'm carrying, and yes, I am carrying masks for my kids. I have bought masks for my kids. All of these things are available in Amazon.in. It's an amazing place to do your online shopping. I'll show you the other compartments that are there in this diaper bag. Here, and then again another hidden compartment. I have not decided as to what else would I take in here, but these are the basic things that I am carrying with me for my kids. Water, milk powder, extra pair of clothes, diapers, wipes. Also there are wipes that are in that diaper bag, and masks, hand sanitizer is there, disinfectant spray is there, and everything is has been adjusted in this bag. And I should tell you that this Love Lab backpack is amazing. Whenever you travel, it's very, very handy to carry a backpack. You can hear my kids shouting while I make this video. They are very, very active. Also, if your kids are small, please buy this 2-meter extendable leash. You will need it. So I think that I'm almost prepared to go. So you can hear my daughter crying. I think I have to rush out and see what is happening. So yeah, I'll try to sign off right now. They are just banging the door and I have to go right now. I'll post this video. This video I hope it comes in handy to you, and you take some tips from this video if you are planning to travel alone with kids. I'll make a bigger video. I'll shoot something nice later. I hope you all enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more information on flights. I will be making a video on the documents required by the visitors as in the family members of the people who are living in Canada who are on visitor visa. What documents are required now? Then I'll also make a video on student visa and all the other different topics. Sorry, my mind is there outside right now because my kid is howling. I have to sign off right now. I hope that this video is of some use to you. If you want to buy a diaper bag, please go for this. Have a good day. Signing off right now. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.